Al is jumping off of the box. Let's go. Woo! No way! All right, Chris is ready for the day. Pads. Man.
Let's
Double
do it.
backflip. But no, this is the morning time. Let's make your own breakfast. Campers are getting ready. Make your own lunch. We got PB&J or ham and cheese, whatever you want for lunch. Kind of leave it in the car, and then we just ride down to the car, eat our lunch, then get back to the day. And yeah, we're getting ready to have the most insane day on snow. We had a really good day yesterday. We built a side hit to practice jumps because today we finally have, still kind of early and the trees here are so tall, a blue sky. I don't know if you can see that. The sky is blue. So we should have a good park day today. The other thing we have always set up is the wax station or the tune station. You can tune up your bindings, you can swap your board, you can wax your own board at any time of the trip. So we got some boards that were tuned up last night, ready to go. So basically this place is a shredder's paradise. So I cannot wait for week 2 campers to get here. I hope you're getting hyped by all of these videos. If you missed yesterday's video, you can check it out here. And enough talking. Let's make our way to the mountain, but it's a gorgeous blueboard day. So let's get like a drive montage going. So drive montage now. So we got a beautiful day like I was saying, but the conditions change every single day here. It melts about peak summertime, like 6 inches a day. It's like always changing, things are different. So we gotta kind of ride through, scope it out, but also the snow is still really firm in the morning. So a couple warm-up laps and then we're really gonna get into it once the snow starts to transition from a really firm, rocky, hard snow to that sweet, soft, carvable snow. And then with the sun being out today, it'll get really potatoey by the end of the day. So if we want to do any carving, you gotta do that first, and then boom. Hold it longer. Yeah. Hold it longer. Do front board. Yeah. Al, great. That was really good. So that counter rotation drill is designed for them to practice board slides, not on a box or a rail. So then when we can figure out that body position, so then all we have to do is add the rail, and then they know where to put their body and they're gonna slide right off. If you don't know where to put your body and then you're trying to board slide, you're gonna get so lost and confused and it's gonna be a mess. So it's a really great drill to try at home, guys. Park is open. So like yesterday, the snow is a little firm, so we're gonna go hike that box again. Let's get warmed up in the park. We're gonna get some tricks that they got some like coaching on from the video breakdown and everything like that, and we'll hit the box a little bit and then we'll start getting into some jumps and stuff. Sadly, the jump we built yesterday, the snowcat came through and crushed it. Insane. Everyone is riding so much better than they were yesterday, which is what we want to see. We're starting at a higher level, which means that we can keep progressing off of that level. Like Al is jumping off of the box. Let's go. Nowadays
nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinking, she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the domain just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer though. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move
Here's Jeremy got the board slide. Cody got 4 different board slides. Now working on board 270 out. Progression is happening. Ooh. I'm good. Get into that press. Good press. Alright, box was crushed. We had just everyone likes to join us whenever we do that, so we're gonna go do some runs now. It was just too hectic and Kate, like there, and we weren't getting as much as we wanted. So we're gonna ride through the park. We'll just start doing some laps, getting some turns. Ah, Cody almost died. No, I'm good. Grab that camera for me, Mike.
No, not yet.
All right, so we got a weird energy with the crew. We came out, we crushed it. Some people going a little too hard and they're taking a lot of slams. Like some people getting a little frustrated because they want to send it, but it's not coming through right now. So we're gonna just stop. It's a little early for lunch, but we're taking an early lunch. Stop, reset, laugh a little bit at the car, come back out, crush it. Whew, don't be afraid to like reset your day, guys. All right, once again, the best part about camp, like literally the best part, is that you get free food. And Cody's mounting down on a sandwich. He's a okay, Cody says getting the clips is the best part. You also get all the raw footage from the day. Bring a hard drive to camp, and then you can just rip any of the clips and make your own edits or do whatever you want. You know what else you can do? No, that's
Today's sticker shout out.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, but it wasn't good transition. Anyways, today's sticker shout out. We got East Coast Jabroni with the black and gray sticker on the helmet. That sticker is also sold out. You cannot get it anymore. That was a limited run. Congratulations on having a sticker that only you and a few other people have. And we also got Josh Winkleman coming in heavy with 3 Evolution stickers, and one of my favorite, the like ski and cross goggles or ski and crossbone style looking Evolution goggle sticker. Dude, that's so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging a sticker. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag any of the Evolution merch, just tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs like that. But also if you follow the Instagram, you get to see the bonus extra content, especially with camp. You get to keep up to date with what we're doing, where we're going, checking out Chilium Link, waxing gear, all kinds of stuff. So check out the Instagram for bonus extra content and just to kind of get more behind the scenes of camp. And then with that, we're gonna eat this food and we're gonna go up to the top. So we'll see you up there. Ski dog rips! Dude, that top to down here run is insane. Let me get this little bit of water.
So insane.
So one of the biggest things with Hood is that the snow is changing every single run. So we went 8 launch, came all the way to the top. The snow here is a lot slushier, so it means the jump is slower. So I need to remind all the campers, you gotta go faster now.
Oh!
Cody trying to board slide on the DFD? What? Also, did you see me die? Let's watch that again in slow motion. It's super soft out here. Cody got Cody got the F and J butter first tee. First try, Cody.
Don't ask me to do it
Can
again.
you do it again? That's why it's called first try, Cody. What do you got for a butter, Michael? Are you okay? You gotta be careful in the slush, boys. Thankfully, he landed on slush. Oh, remember when Benson knocked himself out doing that?
Remember when you
Yeah, I jacked myself up that same edge catch. Yeah, front 3 switches, honestly, really easy.
Is it really?
Your body is just naturally wants to
Dude,
go.
it's so crazy.
Mhm. Oh! No way! Dude, snowboarding Al is snowboarding. Get back here.
My first 180 of Pasay, dude.
Yes, dude. This is his first 180.
Hell yeah.
Dude, you just hucked it. Let's go.
Hola, Jana.
That's amazing. And the crew's all hyped. Film her down. you okay? Dude, I was like, my body's tuckering out. T-Dog, give me the camera, you can hit the jump. And then I died. I couldn't see the transition and it just... Yeah, Jeremy. Alright, so sometimes we get together, we have a little powwow, figure out what we're going to do for the day. Because there's a lot of people here. Some people are eating it, like today, I'm eating the sandwich. And some aren't, and some are vibing, you know what I'm saying? So we always got to find out with the group, who's feeling what are we going to be doing? So we're going to go do another one. It might be chipmunk, it might not be. You know what I'm saying? Everyone might stomp their trick and want to do it again. So let's go.
We're gonna do a little jump right here. Camera in my hand.
Good sell, good sell. Are you okay?
I'm good.
All right. Oh man. That was bendy. This one's definitely gonna be chipmunk. Everyone's dying right now. Nice. All right, today was insane. We learned a lot of tricks, but sadly, it's like we won the battle. We didn't. It's like we may have lost some battles today because some people took some gnarly slams, and we don't want that. But with progression comes that territory. You are going to have to, we don't want to slam, but you're gonna have to risk yourself, push yourself out of your comfort zone to learn new tricks, which then accidentally causes some slams. You know what I'm saying? And it's just a part of the game. You know, action sports involve slams. No professional snowboarder has like never been hurt. Like that's not a reality. With all that being said, you guys still had a sick day, right?
Oh, yeah. So good.
Oh, it was such a sick day.
Sickest day ever.
We were getting mad progression. We still got some more video breakdown to get to, but we got to get to Trillium Lake, guys. We got to check out one of the best views you think you could possibly see in your life.
Are we gonna smash cut to it?
You want to give it?
Yeah, I think so.
Look at that terrible view. That cloud's covering the whole mountain. You guys can't really see. It's a GoPro, but we're out here, Trillium Lake. This is something we do. We always see who's gonna jump in first. We don't have Austin here yet. He's coming next week. He loves cold water. He's like a polar bear. And you think you can jump in?
I don't know. I gotta touch it first.
I'm definitely not jumping in.
No, everyone's saying no. I personally was like, nah, not right now. They opened this like a couple days ago. But yeah, guys, it's another activity. And then after we do this, we'll go eat some spaghetti tonight. And then we're gonna do video breakdown. So basically, if you didn't come to camp, you're missing out on everything. So sorry about that, guys. But thank you so much for shredding with us today. Like an hour ago, we were up there, but you can literally go from up there to here in like 5 minutes. It's so sick. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.